Hello, and welcome to Digital Nutrients. This is your place to learn real English, step by step, with clear guidance, real examples, and support in your language. In this lesson, don't just watch, speak, repeat, and answer out loud with the following speaker. Now, if you're ready to learn real English and build your confidence, you're in the right place. Now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started.
Hello, welcome back.
Let's practice easy English together.
Please answer these questions. What do you do in the morning? You can say,
I wake up early.
I drink coffee.
I go to work.
I study English.
Good.
Now, another question.
What do you like to do on the weekend? You can say, I like to relax. I like to visit my family. I like to go out. I like to watch videos.
Very nice.
Now say this.
I am learning English every day.
Excellent work.
Keep listening, keep reading, and keep practicing with me.
You are getting better step by step.
Great work today. If you practice with us, you're already improving. Now, if this lesson helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment of at least one sentence that you learned today. Your comments help me create more lessons for you. So keep going, and we'll see you in the next lesson.